So first of all, happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian friends. It's October 14th, and while we are waiting the Fuji X Summit, I thought we could talk about Panasonic and the latest release that complement the S9 with the kit lens. Let's see it together. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from Leica M-mount, Italy, and today I'm vlogging just because I wanted to talk about this kit lens that Panasonic released. Now, I don't know what's going on with the other YouTubers or if Panasonic is paying that well, but after the 100 of video that I saw where they say this is the complement glass that was missing when they announced and released the S9, finally it's a complete kit. Well, wait a second, because the S9 still doesn't have a mechanical shutter. The S9 still doesn't have an EVF. Yes, of course, it would be good for a run and gun, vlogging, for headshot, for whatever you might need to record. But guys, honestly, that glass, I remember when I purchased my Panasonic S5 Mark II X, and then I had to pick up a glass, and I ended up picking up the 16-35 f4 because it's a S-line glass and because it's Leica certified, and so I was so happy about it. But the choice for the focal length was a bit a given. First, because I had to shoot interior, and so this is the main reason why the 28mm from my Leica was not wide enough. But secondly, because with Panasonic, when you want to record 4K videos, it crops in 50%, so the 16mm became already a 24. Now, the Panasonic glass that they just released, it's an 18-40, so first the 18 becomes a 27, which is a bit too tight for vlogging, especially when you're switching and you want to record 4K. There's no need to record 4K, but of course, if you are willing to, well, then it will be a bit too tight, and then you will have to use a longer stick, take it out, and it becomes too heavy. And so now I'm shifting hand, because as you know, the A7C Mark II, it's compact and lightweight. I don't even need to use a stick because I am using a 20mm glass. Now that's a bit of flare because this doesn't have the petal mounted on it, but it's my bad because I picked up a bad ND filter. But a 20mm with the active stable in the Sony becomes more or less a 22mm. So as you can see, it's still wide enough for vlogging. Otherwise, with that 18mm that Panasonic released plus the 50% crop in, if you want to record 4K, basically you have your face filling all of the frame, and it's not much of a vlogging, it's more of a egotistic way of talking, and it doesn't add anything. While apart from hearing my 2 cents, you also want to have a look what's going on around, and you want to see the surroundings. And then apart from the focal length, if you think how slow that glass is, it's a 4.5 to 6.3, so I'm quite sure you can use it for most purposes. You can use it for street photography, definitely. It's not a good separation if you want to use it for portrait. It still has a bit of a compression because it's alright, but honestly, it's a kit lens which you don't want to have. So it's another kit lens covering more or less the same range they have in Panasonic, and it is way worse than the 16-35 f4 that, of course, it's bigger, it's heavier, it's more expensive. So please let me know down here in the comment your 2 cents about this glass. I know it is quite compact and it will match the body of an S9, but apart from the dimension and the compactness, I don't think it's really adding anything to the Panasonic line. So please let me know down here in the comments if you have it, if you are using it, how it is, and what are the results that you are getting out of it. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the reviews to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye bye.